Hey guys, this video is especially for Myles Gifford. This is that other Eskimo model 20137 that I have. This is the one that I recently got as replacing. I got this from a fellow fan collector named Bill Heitman, I think about a year or two ago. Anyway, as you can see, the grills on this one are like bare metal. I mean, they're not painted, which doesn't look as great in my opinion. And the other problem is the switch is wired backwards, as you're about to see. So we'll just have a look at this. I'll show you how it's functioning. There's the side. It does have a few scrape marks, but doesn't seem to be all that bad. There's the other side. Yeah, it's still got its dings here and there. Turn this around to the back. The good old McGraw Edison motor mount. Same 2.2 amp motor. As I said, the grills aren't painted on this. They probably originally were, but at some point in its life someone must have stripped the paint off. Look at the top. Same McGraw Edison handle. Strap handle, but it's bolted on both sides. And the same single push button for both speeds. As I said, this one is miswired. It's supposed to go to high first, but goes to low first instead. Now we'll fire it up and show you how it's operating. So here's what it's supposed to be high, but is low. Good air. And here's high. As I said before, this switch is wired backwards. And here's off, which of course OFF spells off. And it does have decent coast down time. We'll show it starting off from high. 2 pushes of the button. And there you go, Myles. This is the video of the fan that's going to you. So I'll try to get it out to you as soon as I can. So I hope you enjoy the video.